Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a registered liquidator and trustee in bankruptcy. So you may have heard of Director Identification Numbers, or DINs, or Director IDs. These came into law on 22nd June 2020. So you may be wondering how you go about applying for one, where you go to apply for one. The short answer is, at this stage, they haven't been rolled out into practice yet. The ATO will be coordinating this process, which is part of a package of law reforms consolidating a number of business registers into one business register, which is to be maintained by the ATO. The ATO is having a consultation process about this that goes until March 2021. So it'll be at least next year until we can actually apply for Director ID, and the ATO, I'm sure, will put out much more information at that time about how to go about doing this.